That was a hell of a catch. This gap was wider a few months ago in the winter. Okay, we're good. We're good.
You never think you cook is so good, folks other man like me. Gotta cook it up clean, cook it up mean. Mama don't like it when you got leftovers. Give me some of them collard greens. Got me some grub and I got to go out to the grocery store. Tailgate party, the big rig jumping up and down in the back of a truck, man. Look at that kid trying to act all big, trying to break dance and break his leg. He ain't got what I got, let's make it hot in this parking lot. My mama raised me in the dirty south, the country gentleman. You best watch your mouth.
We're about 10 packs in. So if anybody's wondering what I run, it's this DRAC diversity receiver with the patch antenna. I think it's like 150 degrees field of view, Pagoda, and then this is a 70-inch tripod. And then on the tripod is a pair of Dominator 1s. Old, I bought for $100 a year or two ago, so they're old even for me. And then when I'm running mobile, don't have room for ground station, I run this. That's the version 2, and it's all right. So yeah, and then I got a 3-cell in the back to keep it running.
Someone new with his strength. It's a fear they don't care, life is half the journey. Though it's such a boy, they ignore it. Topics with mortality. Weakness is so damn like a fish without air. So there's nothing Between the world use and the antis is a sight that's in a timid, the smoke in the middle cry.